35. An object is moving in the xy coordinate plane. The components of the object's velocity are Vx equals 5 meters per second and Vy equals 3t minus 6 meters per second. You can see that the y velocity depends on time. The components of the object's acceleration are ax t minus 7 meters per second squared and ay 4t minus 2 meters per second squared. So in this case, both the acceleration and in the x and y directions change with time. Which of the following vectors best represents the velocity and acceleration of the object at t equals 2 seconds? Now, if we want to talk about the velocity at the time equals 2 seconds, then you can see that this is independent of time for x, but in the y direction, that will be 3 times 2 minus 6, which is 0. And so, at time equals 2 seconds, the velocity is completely horizontal. On the other hand, the acceleration at time t equals 2 seconds is, for the x direction, -5, and for the y direction, +6. And that is in the second quadrant, a negative x and a positive y value. So the vector of velocity is in the positive x direction, and the vector for acceleration is at some angle in the second quadrant. And that corresponds to option E.